In this video, we'll remove unwanted objects from photos in Affinity Photo 3. First, select the Affinity Inpainting Brush tool. You can adjust the brush smoothness or hardness by changing the percentage value. I'll choose 0 hardness for a softer effect. Now, gently brush over the area you want to remove completely. The Affinity 3 Inpainting Brush will automatically remove the selected object from your photo. Sometimes light artifacts may remain, so brush over those areas lightly again to remove them and create a smooth finish. Here are a few samples showing the results. Using this technique, you can quickly remove any unwanted object from your photos with the Affinity 3 Inpainting Brush. Remember to brush gently and repeat the process until you're satisfied with the result. Once finished, export your image in JPEG or PNG format. If you found this video helpful, check out the next video that appears on your screen. You'll also find an organized playlist of tutorials on this channel. Please leave your likes, shares, and comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you again.